Question and answers. First question is, if f to a to b is a bijective function and if n of b is 7, find the value of the n of a is what? Is dash. Now its answer is f of a to b is bijective of bijective function and one and on 2. So n of b is 7, n of a is equal to n of b. So n of b is 7, same n of a. Therefore n of a is 7. This is the answer. Next one is second question. If n of a is p and n of b is q, find n of a into b. So n of a into b equal to n of a into n of b is p into q equal to pq. So this answer is pq. That's all.